Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at the BitcoinRobot EA for MT4, and as always, we'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page first, then analyze what the developer has shared, review the historical backtest, and finally wrap up with my overall thoughts. So starting with the marketplace page, we can see that this is an MT4 expert advisor. So everything shown here is specifically designed for MetaTrader 4. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at $500. It is currently on version 3.22, which was updated on January 11, 2026. And the developer also provides a set file along with a manual guidebook. Moving into the description, the developer explains that this EA is designed for Bitcoin trading. One of the first points highlighted is what they describe as precision focused execution using their trading algorithms. While the exact entry logic is not explained on the marketplace page, the intention is to identify trading opportunities while managing risk. The next section mentions that the EA is built to adapt to different market conditions, including trending, volatile, and ranging markets. Since the underlying strategy is not disclosed, it is difficult to verify exactly how the adaptation happens, but it is useful to know what the developer is aiming for. Further down, the developer also mentions automatic lot adjustment. According to the description, lot sizes can scale based on account balance and market conditions. Whenever an EA includes automatic position sizing, it is something traders should evaluate carefully because it directly influences overall risk exposure as the account changes over time. Another point mentioned is that the EA focuses on one trade at a time rather than opening multiple simultaneous positions. If that is how it is configured, it could help keep overall exposure lower compared to systems that stack numerous trades together. The marketplace page also highlights features such as background market monitoring, trailing stop management, continuous automated trading, and built-in safeguards intended to avoid trading during periods of low liquidity or holidays. Okay, these are all part of the developer's description, although it is still important to validate how they perform through your own testing rather than relying solely on the product page. So now let us move over to the historical backtest. For this review, I ran the test on BTC USD, of course, which is the recommended asset, using the H1 time frame with the every tick modeling method, covering data from late April to late July 2026. The initial deposit was $10,000. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is that this particular test produced only a single trade during the entire testing period. Now, that trade was a buy position. So, the buy position which closed shortly. The buy position closed shortly after entry with a small loss of $1.53, resulting in a total net loss of the same amount. Now, because there was only one completed trade, it is difficult to draw any meaningful conclusions about the EA's overall historical behavior. We don't really get enough data to evaluate consistency, trade frequency, drawdown characteristics, or how the system responds across different market conditions. Similarly, metrics like profit factor or win rate don't provide much value here because they are based on just a single losing trade. Normally, these statistics become much more meaningful when they are calculated across a much larger sample of historical trades. Okay, so looking at the trade history itself, we can simply observe that the EA entered only one long position. We can also come and check the report. You can see just only one position and exited it almost immediately. You can see the time. All right. Now, beyond that, there isn't enough historical activity to identify any consistent entry timing, trade management style, or overall strategy behavior from this report alone. Okay, so if you are evaluating this EA yourself, I'll recommend running much longer historical tests across different periods and market conditions. A broader data set generally provides a far better understanding of how an expert advisor behaves over time than a report containing only a single trade. Now, in a moment, let's just turn on the visuals so that we can also see how this expert advisor looks like in action. Okay, so here we can see these buttons over here, the auto mode, manual mode, indicator mode. All right, and then here we have the buy, sell, and all of that. Right. Okay, this looks pretty interesting. Okay, so overall, based on the marketplace information, BitcoinRobot EA for MT4 includes several automation and risk management features described by the developer. But this particular historical backtest, does not provide enough trading activity to properly assess those claims. Historical testing is only one part of the evaluation process, and future performance can vary depending on factors like risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization that you apply. All right. So, if you are really interested in this expert advisor, I'm going to suggest treating this review as a starting point, and then performing your own optimization, extended historical testing, and forward testing as well on a demo account, just very, very importantly, before considering any live trading decisions. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right. Okay, don't also forget to share the video with other trader friends who are interested in expert advisors for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.